Our journey started like most in the industry. We fell in love with the smell of a wood shop. As most of us have realized, it's a tough business to make money in. There's lots of competition, no skilled labor, marketing costs, and contractors. I was in the same spot as all of you when I decided to go a different direction with Bella. I decided to simplify my product offerings and sell online. I flew out to Moxie to get some help. I soon realized this was going to take a lot more work than I had time for. So I hired Mike. He didn't know anything about cabinets, but he did understand computer language and got started on day one. I was also looking for a better way to make RTA cabinets when I found Lockdown. That's where I met Darren. We hit it off immediately. No, not like that. Like this. We knew our industry was outdated in the way it markets and manufactures products. A year and a half later, Mike had completed building the first fully integrated cabinet ordering system in Moxie. Darren was very excited with what we had built and always had great things to add along the way. I looked at Mike and said, we should sell this as a package, but we needed to be able to do more. One day last spring, Darren called us at the office and said, hey, I figured out how you guys can do what you want to do with your library. He explained it and we all said, hooray! We decided to team up like superheroes and help others grow their small businesses into big businesses in a simpler way. The idea works like this. Your customers now go online and order from the selections you offer them like an a la carte menu. You then import the order through your Cabinet Vision software and send it out to production. You don't have to spend days drawing up a kitchen for a customer. What's even better is your customers writing all the code to your machines while they're making their selections. It's a lot like getting your programmer for free without the liability of you making the mistake. Now you should see better profits and smoother production in your facility, which leaves you more time to get away for vacations. At TekDMC, we see great opportunity for small to mid-sized cabinet shops. The big companies have left opportunities for the smaller companies to take market share. Because they are so big and overweight, they don't have the flexibility to do what we do and make better profits. Profitability comes from simplification, and simplification is a mindset that we sometimes overthink. At Bella, we always say the customer only wants three things. They want it to look a certain way, they want it to function a certain way, they want it to be in their budget. Doing what we do best falls directly in line with simplicity. Most of us are guilty of doing things for the customer that aren't necessarily good for our company's bottom line. Doing work that isn't in our wheelhouse invites more people to ask for the same thing. But when we stick to what we do best, we start to see cash flow roll in quickly. Then we can start to look at other products to add to our offerings. Once we have accomplished simplifying our business, we are then able to scale because we have created a simple system to run on. This is where TekDMC comes in. With our virtual library, you'll be able to allow your customers the ability to customize anything you allow them to. To them, you offer more than the big companies, but for you, it's no extra effort. Now it's up to you. Do you want to continue the way you've been going? Or do you want to start scaling your company to be a more sustainable and successful business that allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labors?